If you want to add a credit card to Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to navigate to your payment settings, open the card form, enter your details, and save everything properly to your account. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add your payment method without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. That's important because you want to start from the main dashboard before opening your settings. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that drop-down menu, click the gear icon. This takes you to your account settings page. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to scan the menu carefully because the gear icon is usually the shortcut to your settings area. Once the settings page loads, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll want to click on Payment Methods. This is where Whop manages saved cards and billing information. Now you should be on the Manage Payment Methods page. To add a new card, click the Add Payment Method button. This will open the card entry form where you can securely enter your payment details. Take your time here and make sure everything is typed in correctly, because small mistakes like a wrong digit or an outdated billing address can cause the card to fail. In the form, enter your card number first, then add the expiration date and CVV. After that, type the name on the card exactly as it appears on your card statement. Next, select your country and fill in your billing address. These billing details need to match the information associated with the card, so double-check them before moving on. Once all of your details are entered, click Add at the bottom of the form. Whop will then save the card to your account and your payment method should now be ready to use. If the card doesn't go through the first time, go back and review the billing information, card number, and expiration date carefully. In most cases, the issue is just a small typo or a mismatch in the billing address. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card to Whop. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.